Namaste, welcome again in Ayuraushadha channel, and in this video let us study about Bhaishajya Kalpana. The topic for today's video is Svarasa Kalpana. Svarasa Kalpana, or express use of drugs. The definitions of Svarasa is mentioned in Sabda Kalpadruma. Svarasa iti sadhyo rasaha. The meaning is Svarasa is the freshly extracted juice of a plant or a specific plant part. That is the definitions according to Sabda Kalpadruma. Then according to Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana in 4th chapter sloka number 7, the definitions mention that yantra nispiditat dravyat rasa swarasa uchyate. Mechanically expressed juice of a plant is also called as Svarasa. For the preparations of Svarasa, the drug which is predominant of Jaliyamsa and Parthivamsa are to be preferred for the preparations, because these drugs more potent and guru among the 5 Kashaya Kalpana. Now let us see the 4 different methods are employed for Svarasa extraction. There are for fresh collected drugs, in case of the dry drugs, in case of very hard drugs, and in case of fibrous drugs. So these are the 4 conditions for the preparations of Svarasa. Let us see one by one from the first one. Fresh collected drug. So how to make Svarasa from the fresh collected drug? In fresh collected drug, the juice strained through a clean cloth by freshly collected and properly pounded drug. It is mentioned in Sarangadhara Madhyama Khanda, 1st chapter, sloka number 2. Ahatat taksana kristat dravyat ksunnat samudharet wastra nispidito yassa rasa swarasa uchyate. So this is mentioned in Sarangadhara. So the term ahata in this sloka literally means drugs not killed by any of the external factors like snow, fire, worm, infestation, and other things. Then the term tatkshanat krishtad means instantly collected, so the drugs to be instantly collected. Ksunnat means pounded, and samudharet means taken out after pounding. So the full definition will be the drug is collected, clean and pounded, and later strained through a clean cloth to obtain Svarasa. So that is the method of preparation Svarasa from the fresh collected drug. And now let us see the second one. If in case of the dry drugs, how to prepare the Svarasa? Kudavam churnitam dravyam ksiptam cha dvigune jale ahoratram sthitam tasmat bhavetva rasa uttamaha. So 1 part coarse powder of the drug, which is 1 kudawa mean 192 grams, is kept soaked overnight in double quantity of water, and in the next morning it is macerated well to filter through a cloth. So I'll repeat again once more. So the coarse powder of the drug, 1 part to be placed, like mentioned in the sloka, that is kudawa. Then it's kept soaked overnight, so you have to soak the drugs overnight in double quantity of water. So if the drugs is 1 part, so the water will be 2 part, like that. Then it is for overnight, so in the next morning this drugs is macerated. Then after properly macerated, the drugs to be filtered through a cloth. So you will get the Svarasa of the drug. That is the second condition if dry drugs. And now let us see in case of very hard drugs. Adaya sushkam dravyam va swarasanam asambhave jale ashtagunite sadhyam padashishtam cha grahyate. So it is mentioned that to 1 part coarse powder of the drugs, 8 times of water is added. Then it is boiled and reduced to 1/4 on mild to moderate fire. So I'll repeat again, I'll make it clear. So 1 part of coarse powder of the drug to be added 8 times of water. So if the drug is 1 part, the water to be 8 parts. Then it is to be boiled in mild fire or mild to moderate fire. Then during boiling it's to be reduced to 1/4. That is in case of very hard drugs. Hope this one make you understand. And let's see the last one. In case of fibrous drug. So in case of fibrous drugs, the method called as Putapaka method. This is big enough sloka. Okay, let's see the sloka. Putapakasya kalkasya swaraso grahyate yataha. Atastu putapakanam yuktiratrochyate maya. Putapakasya matrayam lepasyangara varnata. Lepam cha dvyangulam sthulam kuryat wangusta matrakam. Kasmari wata jambwadi patrairveshtanam uttamam. Palamatram raso grahyah karsamatram madhuksipet. Kalka curna drawadiastu deyah swara sawat buddhaihi. So in this method, the kalka of the drug is prepared. Then this kalka is wrapped with large non-poisonous leaves like palasa, wata, gambhari, jambu, etc. Patra or leaves. Then tied on all sides with cotton thread. So this is become bowl. Over this bowl of kalka and covered leaf, 1 angula thick mud is smeared. So the thickness is about 3/4 inch. So this bowl of the kalka which is covered with leaves to be smeared with mud. So this mud bowl, so this is become mud bowl, right? So this mud bowl is dried in shade and baked over burning charcoal until red hot. And later it is ruled out of fire, means taken out. After it's become red hot to be taken out and allowed to cool. So let it cool by itself. And before it is completely cool, the layer removed by one by one, and the kalka is strained through a clean cloth to get Putapaka Svarasa. And for this Putapaka Svarasa, as mentioned in sloka, is to be prescribed 1 pala dosage given along with 1 kola or 6 gram madhu, or with kalka, churna, drawa, etc. According to the disease condition. So this is about the 4 method of extracting Svarasa from different type of drugs, from the wet, fresh collected drugs, in case of dry drugs, in case of very hard drugs, and in case of fibrous drugs. And what about the dosage? So let us see about the dosage of the drugs. In method 1, that is fresh collected drug, the dosage is half pala. In method 2, which is dry drugs, the dosage is 1 pala. So this is same as the method 3 and method 4. That is 1 pala also. I mean, in the dry drugs, very hard drugs, and in case of fibrous drugs, the dosage is same. That is 1 pala or 48 milliliter. And what about the Prakshepaka Dravya? So let us see now Svarasa Prakshepaka Dravya, including their quantity. Sarangkadara mentioned that Madhu Sweta Gudam Ksaranci Rakam Lawanam Tatha Gratam Tailam Cacur Nadin Kola Matranat Rasik Sipet. So to put more palatability or to improve and hasten the action of the Svarasa, honey or madhu, sugar candy, ksara, chiraka, lawana, greta, taila, and other churna are put in 1 kola quantity. 1 kola means 6 gram. So this Prakshepaka Dravya can be mixed with the Svarasa to make the Svarasa palatable. I mean, our tongue, our mouth can accept this Svarasa like that. Then what about the shelf life of this Svarasa? All the Svarasa preparation for instant use only, so they are to be used after prepared, mean directly after prepared and used. And let us see now the advantages of Svarasa. So the advantages of Svarasa include Guruta. The first one is Guruta and Viryata of Svarasa are maximum in comparison with other Kashaya Kalpana. So the Guruta, the Virya or the power of the Svarasa is more compared to other Kashaya Kalpana. Second one, Svarasa is readily used as Anupana along with other form of medication. And the third one, Svarasa used as Bhavana Dravya in different preparations. And the fourth one, Svarasa used in Shodhana and Marana in Rasa Dravyas. Svarasa also used in preparations of many secondary preparations. So this is about the advantages of Svarasa. And regarding the example for the Svarasa, here are some example. Ardaraka Svarasa, Tulasi and Drona Puspi Svarasa, Satawari Greta Kumari Svarasa, Wasa Putapaka, Sionaka Putapaka, and Sunti Putapaka, and other examples maybe depend on the needed. So this is the brief introductions of Svarasa Kalpana preparations. See you in the next video.